Okay, we're going to make up a cat5 cable here. We're using these cat5 RJ-45 connectors. And this is the green Lee. I believe this is a green Lee. So you can buy this at Home Depot or Lowe's. We're also going to test the cable. This, I believe, came from Lowe's. You can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's. The easiest way to do this is to leave yourself plenty of extra. You want to score the outer covering. And try to be really careful not to nick the wires inside. The other thing you can do is you can take some side cutters. Just cut that little piece of string there. What I like to do is just separate out the pairs. Okay, let's try that from this angle here. What you want to do is get these nice and straight. And you're going to trim this off after, so it's just easier to work with these longer lengths. So, I'm going to go orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, and I'll put a diagram up for this. This is the B configuration. We got the blue, white, solid green, brown, white, and brown. Make sure that's in camera there. Okay, so now I got those in order. Kind of just got to work them here, make them nice and straight. Kind of flatten this out. Okay, just double check your colors here. And that looks good. Now you've got this blade with the flat edge right here. You can trim them with that, or sometimes I like to just take some side cutters. Try to keep it nice and keep it even when you cut, so it's nice and flat right across. Now with your orange to the left, your orange and white, this clip is down. I kind of push the wires up along the top, kind of keep them flat. And then slowly just work that right in. Push the covering down in. Okay, the next thing you want to do is take your crimp tool, and it fits right in here to the slot here. Push the covering in, and then just crimp it down. And that should be it. So let me make up the other end and we'll test it. Alright, now I'm going to test the cable. You can get this tester at Lowe's. And it's got the two ends. Put that in there. This is the remote. And then you're just looking to see if there's any opens or shorts here, and this cable passes. And that's how you test the cable.